Okay, so in this module, we're going to create API keys. Now, what API keys are is it's basically like a key to access your account. So if you're using external platforms that have the opportunity to connect with Mailchimp and communicate and sync data, then you will be able to it may ask for an API key. Some may ask for your logon information, which it shouldn't really do these days. It should request access via an API key. What it is it's a bunch of random letters, and if you insert the right bunch of letters in the third-party platform, then that will be able to come to Mailchimp, request access, and if it matches, Mailchimp will grant access, and it can sync data to and from the platforms. You'll see me doing this later on in the course when we get to the WordPress sections where we start using a third-party plugin that will request an API key. So what we need to do is actually create an API key. So we go up to our account in the top right corner, not notifications. So we go to our account, click on account, and then under extras, we can see API keys. So yeah, what it says is Mailchimp API makes it easy for programmers to integrate Mailchimp's features into other applications. So if you've got apps or whatever, we need an API key. And quite simply, as we haven't got any at the moment, we simply click on create a key. Don't worry about this mandrill thing. That's an extra platform on top of Mailchimp. So that's a completely different thing. Don't worry about that. Quite simply, that's it. We've created a key, an API key, and that's the random bunch of letters and numbers that has been created. And we can copy that and then paste it into the third-party plugin settings, and then voila, we've got access. If you ever want to deny access in the future, we can turn it off there. We can disable it, so we can stop access that way. We can use the API key for a few different things, but it is really better to create multiple keys for different things. It would be nice if we could give it like a bit of a name, but we can't. But it's quite simply, that's how we create a key. Simply click on create a key.